my chair. I'll just look if you want to sit there.
No, you're fine. I'm going to be sitting for a very long time. You don't want to go to the track?
That's for sure.
Yes.
Y'all just got through that long drive. I made it once. I made that trip.
Yeah, it's a
It
long
is
drive.
a long, and I drove straight through when we came home. Me. Every mile, me. That's only been a couple of years ago I was there. And, it's not a lot of fun when you old as I am and got a rough back. And years ago, with all the hard work, complaining about his back.
Hey y'all,
Living the dream.
Levi. Isn't my grandson handsome? He's getting so tall.
Trying. Not that tall. A little bit.
Nana's just getting shorter.
Also may be true.
We're here at G's graduation party, and this is some of the stuff that is out. He's going to FSU to college.
Get in there, really give you a fit.
Oh, here's the graduation.
Hello.
There, my grandson. Hold on.
I have my glasses on.
There's the graduation. Isn't he handsome? Look how tall he is.
That's all.
I am so proud of him.
Thank you.
Oh, wait a minute. He's got something in his eyes.
Yeah, I have like a thing, but it's fine.
Okay, now look at him. Isn't he handsome? I'm so proud. Yeah. I love him. I'm so proud of him. Yes. He is so smart. See, this is what he got. Look at her. Gee, stand here in front of it.
Jill, trying to use counter space.
Look at that.
Got
See all those ropes he got? He's so smart. He got all kind of stuff.
Cords.
They're cords. I call them ropes, but he said they're cords.
Yeah, y'all are
But
really
yes. Oh, I'm so proud of him. Anyway, this is my darling Hannah.
Hello. Nice
That
to meet you.
graduated.
I think it's my first formal introduction on the camera. Hello?
No, I introduced you before when we were doing
You're right.
before. Anyway, this is G's girlfriend, and she graduated this year and is going to FSU, and she graduated with, tell how you did.
I had all A's. That's what you're talking about? And I finished 8th in my class.
And what else did you do?
I did dance.
The verb.
Oh, we won prom king and queen this year.
Yes.
Yes. And that was super exciting. And I'm also going to FSC like she said. That's all. That's really all about me.
Did you get the ropes and all?
Yes, and I had 8 cords.
Cords.
And I had 2 stoles for Honor Society and for AP Capstone, which is like a research elective.
And what was your GPA or whatever?
I had a 4.65, I think.
Mm-hmm.
I had, wait, which one is higher, magna cum laude or summa cum laude?
I don't know.
Whichever one is higher, that's what I had. But I can't remember the name of it.
Open your card.
Okay, let me open my card.
Her and G are smarty pants is what we call them.
Deep crossers. Nana. Wait, let me read the things. Aww, your handwriting is so pretty.
What?
Nana, you take that back.
No, I will not.
Yeah, you take that back.
No, you
That is
deserve
not-
every bit
That
of
is
it.
not necessary.
Oh, yes, it
That
is.
not necessary. Here.
And what, the
Oh.
ropes are.
Oh,
the-
my chords and stuff. Do I have to
Yeah.
explain them? Math club, English club, Key club, which is like volunteer club. Was it Future Business Leaders of America? Which one am I missing? Key club. I said that already. What am I missing?
I know, I
National
just said
English
how
Honor
many I
Society.
had.
Yeah, like 5.
And what was your G
Capstone.
point?
Huh? Oh, my GPA?
Yeah,
Oh, 4.4.
yeah.
And capstone.
Yeah.
Your capstone stole.
Yeah.
And your-
Prom king.
Yeah,
Prom
I said that
king.
too. She did this and I thought she was talking about her sashes.
Homecoming prince. I mean,
Yeah.
And where are you
Okay.
going?
Florida State.
What are you gonna study?
Finance. Am I
Okay.
good?
Okay, now.
Okay. Ugh. Card.
Mhm.
What did it say?
Whoa. Thank you.
Anna.
There's like $5 in there at least. No.
You better count it.
I will.
I got more than 5.
Thank you so much.
Holy moly.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Thank
you.
You are balling.
Thank you so much.
You better go get big old morning dog.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Alright, you can open up.
Thank you.
Oh,
Yeah, I had this one
Cutest
before.
thing ever.
I actually gave this. I had this, but I gave it to Brian.
Really?
You know, can I tell you actually? I just discovered like a month or 2 ago that I like these. I never had them before.
really?
Yes, and they're so good.
I didn't know
I
you
got
liked them.
No, they're good. I
Oh,
got
okay.
them to like make the like chocolate ones, and I ate the whole thing. I
This
didn't
has
even
my
get to
initials
eat
on
it.
it. That's funny.
Aww, that's so cute.
I got your first aid kit.
First aid.
That's so cute.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna use it all. I promise. Well, I hope I don't have to use it all.
Yeah.
But I'll
But
try.
you never know.
You never
Little essential stuff.
You know, I almost used like my whole one for her. It smells so good. I swear.
For your dorm. Or not your
She said you
townhouse.
smell.
First aid,
Yep.
Yeah.
You know. Moving out stuff.
chocolate.
Yeah, I know you like that.
I need it so much.
Yeah. What's for when you move out?
But I need it
Yeah.
now.
No.
Hallelujah.
You always
Why
need
is there so many
that.
baby wipes?
Because when you move out. Umbrella.
Pop Tarts.
Yeah, I know you like pop tarts.
All right, I think I saw everything in there.
Thank you.
Yo,
Yeah.
Wendy's, Mickey D.
Yes.
And I need
For the
these
hair.
too because I use when I'm at home I just use towels but I just use t-shirts but I don't want to use t-shirts in college. So I was really just thinking about that.
It's a lot of gift cards.
They're all so good. Wait, what's this?
That should come with your bag.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think I saw everything right. Thank you.
You're welcome. You guys got matching beach bags. Oh, it smells good.
Wait, I dropped my instructions.
I did like it.
Hang on. Wait, I'm not done. You can say
I know it's easy for girls. Get more stuff.
Yeah, come find me, Jim, when you're done. I want to get a photo.
Okay.
And thank you again.
And then you got gift cards too.
Oh,
And
yeah.
that spray, I'm obsessed with it.
Wait, let me smell.
Should I just throw everything back in here?
Yeah.
Put it nicely back in. Don't throw it back. She did a good job making it look pretty. It's so beachy.
Yeah.
Does that
It
smell?
smells good. It
Again?
does smell good. It does smell
Thank
good
you.
cheese.
No? Don't worry, I
Those
only
eye
did
drops
get
that
them
Dee's
from
sister
James
had, they were like
City.
some like special ones, and I literally put it in my eyes, and my eyes like.
Yeah, Lumify
I put it more in this one than this one. You can tell, right?
makes it white.
So cute.
Can you buy those like over the counter?
Yeah.
And I
It's
had
called
one of those
Lumify.
and I don't think I even know where it is anymore, but I missed it.
Right next to.
She is cute.
She is.
So cute. Or
Yeah.
princess. So slay.
Can we leave these in? Or do you want me to-
Yeah, you can put them in there. You
Yeah, I
can
don't
take
Okay, this is the mud room that Ray and Jill has done. Got the new cabinets. Aren't they beautiful? And I love this marble countertop that they got. Look at the sink. Ray tells me that somehow or another there's a sprayer and it comes down. I don't know exactly how it does it. He showed me earlier. But anyway, it would come down. But anyway, it is really nice. He's got new light fixtures, but it is really nice in here. This is the bathroom. Isn't it nice? Look at this nice shower. Oh, it is so nice. Let's see. The cabinets. Shower used to be over here. But look at the mirror. And here's that duvet. He's up down with the duvet. Anyway, this is a beautiful bathroom. Look at the towel on the floor in the bathroom. I just love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. They did such an excellent job. Is the bathroom they did here. And isn't it nice? They did a lot of remodeling and redid this bathroom. And look at the lights. Oh, I love it. The towel. I'm saying tile. Talking about the wall. It is beautiful. They did such a beautiful job in here. The sinks. I love it. Of this bathroom, they did the remodeling. Isn't it neat? This is when they went on their trip to Mexico. Yes. They did such a nice job in here. Look at the lights. Yes.
I think I was going to all the painting. I did kind of necessary, right? That like was like the not the left field team, it's like the double shot of the
And the better
All right, I didn't get to get a whole lot of video done today because we did walking when we got to where Karin, SKW, lived, Clearwater, and it was kind of like a restaurant on the beach, and it was hot. We ended up having to walk some, and then the restaurant didn't have air conditioning because, like I said, it was across from the beach. And so me and Pops was hot and tired. So anyway, I did a little bit of videoing, so, but we had a wonderful time. It was a great Father's Day with my son and my husband, and then it was great being with Karin. Her birthday's tomorrow, so kind of celebrated her birthday also. But Nat was there, and G was there, and my daughter Angelica was there. So we had such a wonderful day. So I'm just going to, since I didn't get a whole lot of videoing done, I'm just going to combine this one with G's graduation video and just have it all together. So it'll be like G's graduation, Father's Day, and Karin's birthday all in one. It's just gonna be an adventure of everything, you know, all combined together, because so much has happened and everything. So that's what I think I'm gonna do. But I thank y'all for coming along with me on this adventure, and I hope you enjoy the video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And the ones that have subscribed, thank y'all so much for subscribing. And don't forget to share, and also do a thumbs up. And remember that I love y'all so much.